Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make tabs on Webflow. Let's get started. First, go to webflow.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard. In here, click on the site where you want to add tabs in, and this will take you to the Webflow Designer. In the Designer on the left panel, click on the plus icon on the top left. Then scroll down to the Advanced section where you will click on the tabs icon. From here, you can customize your tabs based on your preference, or you may also use the designs made available to you by Webflow by clicking on this Components icon. If you want to preview your work or how it will look like to your audience, click on this Play button at the top right corner. And that is how you can make tabs on Webflow. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.